Xfinity modem blinking green and orange. Meaning and what to do? Why Xfinity modem blinking green and orange? Service outage in your area: loose, damaged or faulty cables, modem malfunction or overheating, firmware update in progress, overloaded modem, too many devices connected, ISP authentication or signal issues. Understand the meaning of blinking green and orange. Blinking green. The modem is trying to establish a connection with the internet, but the connection is unstable or incomplete. Blinking orange. This often means the modem is either installing a firmware update or is waiting for a downstream signal from your ISP. Sometimes a blinking orange on a specific Ethernet port simply indicates a gigabit connection instead of a faster 2.5 gigabit link. But if the whole modem is blinking orange, it's usually a connectivity or update issue. Fix 1. Check for Xfinity service outages. If there's an outage in your area, your modem cannot establish a stable connection, causing the blinking lights. Confirming an outage helps you avoid unnecessary troubleshooting and lets you know the problem is with your ISP, not your equipment. Visit the Xfinity Status Center. Use the Xfinity app to see if there are any reported outages in your area. If there's an outage, you'll need to wait for Xfinity to resolve it. Fix 2. Wait for firmware updates. If the modem is updating its firmware, interrupting the process can cause further issues. Waiting allows the update to complete, after which normal service should resume. If you recently restarted or set up your device, the blinking orange light may indicate a firmware update in progress. This process can take up to 15 to 30 minutes. Avoid unplugging the device during this time. Fix 3. Inspect and reconnect all cables. Loose, damaged or improperly connected cables can disrupt the signal between your modem and the ISP, leading to connection problems. Ensuring all cables are secure and undamaged restores the physical link needed for a stable connection. Ensure all coaxial, Ethernet and power cables are securely connected and undamaged. Unplug and firmly replug each cable to ensure a solid connection. Fix 4. Restart, power cycle, your modem/router. Restarting, power cycling. The modem clears temporary glitches, resets the connection with your ISP, and can resolve software or firmware hiccups that cause connectivity issues. This is often the quickest way to restore normal operating. Unplug the power cord from your device. Wait at least 30 seconds. Plug it back in and allow the device to reboot. This can resolve temporary glitches and restore connectivity. Method 2. Via Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app and sign in. Tap on the Wi-Fi icon. Troubleshoot, restart your gateway. Method 3. Via website. Go to Xfinity and log in. Navigate to the device's page. Restart modem. Fix 5. Remove or replace splitters. Faulty or unnecessary splitters can weaken or block the signal. Connecting the modem/router directly to the wall outlet ensures the strongest possible signal, resolving issues that may cause the orange light. If you're using a coaxial splitter, try connecting the modem directly to the wall outlet. Faulty splitters can cause signal loss and connectivity issues. Fix 6. Try a wired connection. Connecting a device directly via Ethernet helps determine if the problem is with the Wi-Fi signal or the overall internet connection. If wired works but Wi-Fi does not, the issue is likely with the router's wireless function, not the internet connection itself. Connect a device directly to the modem/router using an Ethernet cable to check if the internet works. If wired works but Wi-Fi does not, the issue may be with the router's wireless function. Fix 7. Reduce device load. Too many connected devices can overload your modem, causing it to struggle with maintaining a stable connection. Disconnecting unnecessary devices reduces network congestion and can help the modem stabilize. Overheating can impair modem performance and cause connectivity problems. Ensuring proper ventilation helps the modem function optimally and prevents thermal shutdowns or slowdowns. Fix 8. Check account and activation status. If your account is inactive, suspended, or the device isn't properly activated, the router cannot connect to the internet. Verifying and resolving any account or activation issues ensures the device can authenticate and establish a connection. Log into your Xfinity account to ensure your service is active and there are no billing or activation issues. If you recently got a new device, make sure it's properly activated. Fix 9. Factory reset as a last resort. A factory reset restores the device to its original settings, clearing out any misconfigurations or persistent software errors. This can resolve deeper issues that simple restarts or cable checks do not fix. Use this only if other steps fail, as it erases custom settings. Locate the reset button, usually on the back of the device. Hold it down for about 10 seconds until the lights blink off and on. Note: this will erase all custom settings and restore factory defaults. Fix 10. Contact Xfinity support. If all else fails, the problem may be due to hardware failure or a more complex network issue. Xfinity support can diagnose the problem remotely or send a technician for repairs or replacement, ensuring a long-term fix. If the orange light persists after all troubleshooting steps, contact Xfinity customer support. There may be a hardware issue or a more complex network problem requiring professional assistance.